Ah, je mangerai in about 30 minutes. Should be a keeper.
Keeper. Salmon keeper.
Yeah, for nuôi chông cơ. There's a lot of hit too. Not bad so far. Everybody's been hooking up, so it's good. It's good to see some salmon. See some big one, at least like 20 plus pound jump in, but sad life because I ain't got no waiter. Ooh, look jaw. Might be a different one. What to tell thee? But I do go. I different place. Mangiare, se poi tu lo.
So.
I should not go. I'm not playing jaws. German too high cloudy. I should not go.
Jarvis.
Hey, just make sure you take off the skirt, cut off the blade. You'll be good. Coming in, no?
German, come over here so I can put that shit in. Hurry up. No, yeah, you want to? Yeah, it's gonna keep on. Oh, Joe. Oh, still small. It's a big one, Jervin. I seen it. Jervin, slowly walk up here, Jervin. Is it coming? Is it going down, Jervin? No, I think the fish still going up. Yeah, just back up. If it runs down straight, you gotta walk the fish down. Dude, this guy got fish on. This guy first time. Yeah. Rookie's luck. Oh yeah. Rookie's always luck. That's your guys' fish?
No.
Oh, I was like, damn, that thing's huge, but oh sheesh. It's gross.
Jarvis.
You gonna help him out, dude? You guys hooked up any fish yet?
Oh yeah, not today. But
Oh, not today. Oh, lost it? That's it. All right, peace out, yo.